Yo, crypto strategists. Check this wallet. That ain't virtual confetti. That's a hefty pile of Solana, all earned through calculated execution. How'd I make this happen? Not by blindly following trends, but by setting them. If you're tired of being a bystander and ready to be a market maker, you've come to the right place. I'm about to unveil the full playbook for launching the meme coins that genuinely explode. No shortcuts. Let's get started. First off, let's get real, as if Pump Fund is still your primary launch site, you're playing a losing game, my friend. That platform is an absolute chaotic swamp, an endless deluge of new tokens that appear and then evaporate within moments. Trying to get your project any meaningful visibility there is like trying to catch smoke with your bare hands. The experienced players have long since migrated. It's now primarily a graveyard for forgotten coins. For sustainable profits, you need a more sophisticated approach. So, where are the serious fortunes being built? Radium, fam. This is where high-caliber meme coins truly make their debut, and flourish. You'll notice fewer launches, but the quality, potential, and investor confidence are on a completely different level. We're talking projects that attract real liquidity, build significant market capitalizations, and possess genuine potential for massive upside. The key distinction? Radium typically requires a level of coding proficiency, which naturally filters out the incessant flood of low-effort spam. This fosters an environment where a well-conceived and executed launch can really capture the market's attention and achieve liftoff. But I'm about to share the ultimate ace up your sleeve, pumpzone.io. This incredible platform is your direct, hassle-free conduit to launching on Radium, entirely bypassing any need for complex coding. Pumpzone.io demystifies the entire token deployment process, transforming it into a few remarkably simple, intuitive steps. This is your express lane to getting your coin listed with the pros. No technical expertise required. First things first, your coin needs a compelling visual identity, a logo that's instantly memorable and sparks interest. For this venture, we're bringing Kvok to life. Think, a cool stylized frog, maybe with a bit of a CryptoPunk edge. Something unique and eye-catching. Fire up Canva. Set your canvas to the standard 125 by 125 pixels. Design your Kvok emblem. Make sure it's distinctive and clean, then save that graphic. Your coin's brand appeal. Established. This is an absolutely vital first step. Time to unleash Kvok into the crypto ecosystem using pumpzone.io. And the fantastic advantage here? No direct wallet connection for the token creation itself. That means superior security for your primary assets. Okay, token name, Kvok. Symbol, Kvok. Short, punchy, perfect. Tokenomics. See that 1 billion supply? That's the industry standard, the magic number for these launches. Leave it precisely as is. Description. For this, I'll just paste in my pre-generated description. Upload that dominant logo. Whale metadata. Make absolutely certain this is turned on. It's a strong signal of transparency and professionalism to serious investors, and helps build that crucial initial trust. Definitely a must-have. Social links. You can populate these if you've got an established online presence, but for a streamlined and impactful launch, I generally skip this. Radium's own network effect provides substantial reach. Now, the unbreakable foundation of trust. Revoke authorities. Listen very carefully. Revoke mint authority. Revoke freeze authority. Revoke metadata update authority. All three of these critical settings must be switched on. This is your non-negotiable commitment to the market. No minting new tokens out of thin air. No freezing anyone's funds. No editing the coin's details after launch. This is what separates legit projects from scams. Next up, PumpZone. Brilliant design feature. Paste your personal Solana wallet address right here. This is the destination wallet for your freshly minted Kvok tokens. Super secure. Your wallet never connects during creation. I'm pasting my address now. Click Create Token. PumpZone will now give you a unique Solana address. This is where you send a small Solana minting fee. Copy it, open your wallet, and send the Solana. Crucial advice. Do not close the pumpzone.io page after sending the fee. Give it a few seconds, 10, 20, maybe 30, for the blockchain to confirm. If you close it too early, the mint could fail. Just let it complete. And it's a go. Token created successfully. PumpZone now displays your official Kvok token contract address. Copy that. Kvok is now officially on the Solana blockchain. A quick check on Solskin confirms it. Minted and looking sharp. Now, let's get it to market. A token without a market is just a digital notion. Let's get Kvok into the Radium trading pond. From pumpzone.io, click Create Liquidity Pool, or head directly to Radium. Connect your wallet. For the base token, paste the KVAC contract address we just secured. Symbol, KVAC. Name, KVAC. Add it, then select it from the list. Your full 1 billion KVAC supply should now be visible. We're going to deploy 900 million into the liquidity pool to ignite trading. Quote, token will be Solana. Max out your available SOL for this liquidity. But make sure to keep about 0.2 SOL aside for Radium's pool creation fee. It's usually clearly indicated. This SOL is your foundational capital. It's what enables the market to move. For the fee tier, 2% is the proven and effective choice. All systems nominal, click Initialize Liquidity Pool. Approve the transaction in your Phantom wallet. And just like that, KVAC is officially live and ready to make some noise on Radium. Now that KVAC is live on Radium with active liquidity, trust me, every new token on Radium garners immediate interest from the keenest traders. Time to chart our newly launched amphibian. Grab your KVAC address from pumpzone.io or SolScan. Head directly to Dex Screener. Here's a savvy shortcut. Open any coin's chart on Dex Screener. Then, navigate to your browser's URL bar and simply paste your KVAC contract address over the existing one. Hit Enter, and presto, your live KVAC chart appears in all its glory. You'll likely see some instant miner trades. Those are just the network bots running their initial checks. Totally standard. But what we're watching for are those substantial organic buy orders from real market investors. Hold the line. What just happened? Our first major buy order for KVAC just illuminated the screen. A significant injection of SOL just occurred, and you can see the liquidity pool instantly react and expand. That's the powerful green signal we were anticipating. Are you seeing this magic? Another wave of significant buys just surged in. Even more substantial this time. KVAC is clearly making a splash and investors are taking decisive action. Look at that market cap begin to inflate powerfully. This is the sheer thrill of a successful launch. Watching the market enthusiastically validate your creation, this is unbelievable. A third massive capital inflow just hit the KVAC order book. The situation is rapidly escalating into a full-blown buying frenzy. KVAC has made some serious hops on the charts, and it's looking fantastic. Now, for the grand prize, securing those profits, it's time to reap what you've sown. Head over to your Radium portfolio, make sure your wallet is properly connected. Find your KVAC liquidity position, and we're pulling it all out. Slide that bar all the way to the max. Take a second to admire the Solana value you're about to move to your personal stash. Looks good, right? Finalize the transaction, approve it in your wallet, and let the blockchain do its thing. That's how you turn a freshly launched meme into a real, tangible Solana holding. This strategy, it works, and it works fast. In crypto, speed and bold moves are everything. Those who act early often win big. Hesitate, and the window might slam shut. Precision and decisiveness, that's your edge. Now, full transparency. This video is for educational purposes only. I'm not your financial advisor. I have no deals, no sponsorships from PumpZone or Radium. Just showing you a method that's working right now. But this game moves fast, so do your research, move smart, and if this caught your attention, act while the window's open. Don't just sit on the sidelines. Smash that like, hit subscribe for more next level tactics, and may your bags be legendary. See you in the next one.